People don't believe when we tell them you can actually have a smile in one day. First thing we do is we take a 3D x-ray of your jaw, the top and the bottom, to determine what kind of bone do you have. Then we do a 3D scan of your jaw to determine how your bite is going to be at the end of the day, because we want you to have a function along with cosmetics. It's just not about cosmetic, it's about restoring that function so you can eat, chew, as well as smile at the same time. From there, all the records are sent to our lab, in-house lab, where we pre-design the smile before it's even done. So the smile is already ready before you even get the surgery done. On the day of the surgery, if you have any broken down teeth, we remove all that broken down teeth, we clean out the infection, we level out the bone, make sure it's nice and sturdy. We place implants on the top and the bottom. Because we have a 3D technology, we do take the 3D x-rays before we proceed. The guide that we print, it helps us to be so precise that we don't have to be very invasive, which after results, it helps in healing, faster healing, less swelling, fast recovery. So if you're looking for a dental implant treatment that can restore your smile the same day, let us begin your journey towards that new smile today.